Is the finished look of this unit. I just want to say I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. I did kind of get real detail oriented in this video because I wanted to show you guys how I got this wig to be like this. So I want to show you guys all the steps. So one thing I did do different on camera this time was show you guys me bleaching the knots on this one, which I feel came out great. This is the way I bleach knots. I'm not that great at it. I have watched a few reviews and kind of learned a few things, so I'm hoping that this came across pretty good. Guys, hands down, this is probably like maybe the second ash blonde wig I did this season. I'm not sure. It's kind of towards the end of the summer now, so this is going to transition for me into the fall. I absolutely love this. I did go ahead and layer this off and put some curls in it for you guys. So you guys saw everything from the beginning. So this is what it looks like now after being color treated. So I did use 3 boxes of the Revlon Color Silks on this bad boy, and
Miraculously, the roots were 1B before, and the roots ended up going to an ash brown color, which kind of goes really well with the medium ash blonde color at the bottom. So the entire unit transformed like this, guys, and I'm telling you guys, even though this came pre-plucked and everything like that, guys, I did still go in and pull some hair out, and I just feel like the hairline is more open, it looks more realistic, and the best part, guys, is the roots look freaking fantastic. Like, I've never bleached a wig before. This is the first time I was, you know, attempted to bleach like knots for especially like a blonde wig like this one. I was a little skeptical in the beginning just because it had the roots done. I was like, oh my god, am I gonna mess this up? Am I gonna over bleach it? But guys, I think your girl got this. I'm really happy with this unit. Another thing I did do for this unit, guys, is go ahead and add some extensions to the back. I'll link the bundles, or the bundle that I got down below. I got it from the beauty supply store. Very affordable, by the way. It was about like 60 bucks for beauty supply store here. Very accessible hair that you can just grab and go home and do something with. So it's 613 raw hair, not raw hair. 613 hair was human hair, easy to dye. All I was doing was adding ash color to it, so it was easy to take the dye. The hair is actually nice as well too. It was a little bit thicker than my texture. This wig came to me 130% density, so I needed that extra oomph. So this is about 150 now. Probably like 150, 180. Not too thick, but if I really wanted to, I could have added 2 bundles into this bad boy and made it a super buff wig. So this unit is 18 inches long, guys. It's just a lace front wig. You get about 4.5 inches of parting space in the front, which is excellent. Other than that, guys, this is it. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like. I'm actually really pleased by the come out of this unit. I haven't done one of these in a while, but I kind of feel like out of all the ash blonde units that I've done in the past, this unit from WoWebony is by far the best. The quality of the wig before me processing it is excellent, and it held up so well after I did all this customization to it. Listen, if you're looking for an ash blonde wig that comes pre-rooted, when I mean pre-rooted, not just a little parting space that they give you, the entire front of this unit was pre-rooted, so it's all perfect. So you can honestly part this unit anywhere. Currently, the price of this wig, guys, I'm going to tell you guys the price because you guys always ask me, and I kind of feel like I should just say that because some of you guys are like, it's too expensive. So 12 inches for this one is about $156. Remember, mine is 18 inches, and the bundle that I got in the back is also 18 inches as well. So 18 inches on this unit is only $178, guys. If you're not someone that likes thick density and you're okay with the 130, then you can go ahead with the 130. So $178 for 18 inches, not bad. If you want to do 16 inches, it's $168. So that's how you can kind of get like a little mindset of what to do. Obviously, I had to customize this one, so I spent a little bit more than the price. But if you're okay with 130%, then go for it. But as far as the bleaching job, the coloring job, the layering job, and all that kind of stuff, because I did layer it off camera, but you guys can see that I did a bang and everything like that. So it's definitely giving you hot glam vibes. Like, I think my customization skills have improved. I've been taking my time lately now doing hair reviews. I've been really paying attention to wigs and new styles coming out and stuff like that, and trying to find ways to give you guys more quality videos and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you so much, WoWebony, for sending this unit to me. I appreciate it so much. I will leave all the information down below, guys, per usual, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from WoWebony. All the products that I did use in regards to the color and stuff like that will be listed down below as usual too. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.